Hey, I get it. Life as a teen is busy. School, friends, hobbies, maybe even a part-time job. Sometimes it feels like there's just not enough hours in the day. But here's a secret. You can totally manage your time and still have fun, I promise. Let's break it down step by step. First, start each morning by writing down your top 3 priorities. What matters most today? It could be finishing a project, studying for a test, or just taking time for yourself. Keep it simple. You're not a robot. Next, try using the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Focus only on one task, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this a few times, and you'll be amazed at what you can get done. No stress, just progress. Now don't forget to schedule in some you time. Seriously, self-care isn't selfish. Whether it's listening to music, drawing, or just chilling with a favorite show, you deserve it. And here's a big one. Let go of perfection. You're learning, and every day is a new chance to try again. Mistakes? Totally normal. What matters is that you're moving forward. Repeat after me. I am in control of my time. My effort matters. I'm doing my best, and that's enough. You've got this. Trust yourself, take it one step at a time, and watch your days transform. Remember, your time is yours, and you're already doing amazing.